Hey guys, Dotson guys here with MarineMax Charleston. Today I want to show you guys a brand new trade that we just received. This is a 2019 Scout 255 Dorado. You'll see her, she's in the full hull shark gray. She's been freshly detailed. She's got twin Yamahas on the back, and they got roughly just under 115 hours on them. We've got the full hardtop, as well as the fender pros, which you can see from the front, and as well as the integrated windlass on the bow. We'll move to the back. We'll show you the swim platform. You'll see we have our digital shifting Yamaha 150s here on the back, as well as a ski pylon, trim tabs below, and as well as the starboard side entry with steps. We'll take you on inside. This particular customer opted for the cockpit table that's easily spun to navigate in and out. There is a reverse lounge that we can hold a button here, and this will elevate and extend to expose the port side seating as well as the stern seating. So you have a sectional shaped L-shaped seating in the back, standard live well in the port corner, rod holders and cup holders all throughout. Behind me on the starboard side, our client did do the grill. So this is an inverted grill from Kenyon. Wet bar with sink, slide out Yeti, cutlery cabinet. And again, big oversized hardtop with grab handle up top. We have very wide and extra large helm seats, both port and starboard, with helm bolsters as well as armrests. We have a head on the port side, and that's a porcelain upgraded head with holding tank. Here at the helm, we have the 10-inch Garmin Fusion stereo with jail audio speakers. We have the indicator switch for our Lenco trim tabs, as well as an upgraded Edson steering wheel. There's those fender pros we mentioned earlier. Glove box with USB charging ports. There's that digital throttle and shift, and as well as push button starts from our Yamaha. We have a walk-through window, as well as windscreen that flips across and exposes underneath the helm side. We have storage, and this boat is equipped with the bow filler option. Port and starboard loungers, armrest. I'm 6 foot for reference, so plenty of space up front. Convenient push buttons for our windlass system in the bow, as well as we have it at the helm. These do have storage lockers underneath, and as well as in-floor storage down below. If you guys would like to come see this beautiful trade in person, please feel free to come see us or call us at 843-747-1889. Again, my name is Dotson Geis with MarineMax here in Charleston. Thanks for watching.